Are you an Arizona resident looking to update your address on your driver's license without leaving the comfort of your home? Stay tuned, because today I'll guide you through this seamless online process step by step. We're taking what usually feels like a totally daunting chore and breaking it down into a smooth, easy to follow guide. So, have you just moved within Arizona? First off, huge congratulations on the new place. I know you're probably up to your neck in boxes right now, but amidst all the unpacking, there's one crucial administrative task you absolutely cannot afford to ignore: updating your information with the MVD. Dealing with this immediately is vital to avoid unnecessary stress and some pretty frustrating penalties down the line. But don't worry, we're going to get this sorted out right now, straight from your couch. Okay, let's dive into this and walk through our clear, stress-free roadmap for today's explainer. First, the 10-day rule, then getting your information ready, our step-by-step online process, a little troubleshooting, and finally, the benefits of using AZMVD now. Section 1, the 10-day rule, legal requirements and deadlines. Now, you might be thinking, hey, updating my address can definitely wait until next month, right? Actually, it's a strict legal requirement, and that brings us to a very important number, 10. You have exactly 10 days after moving to report your address change. Missing this window is a big deal. You could miss critical legal notices or literally face a civil traffic violation if you get pulled over. And this brilliantly illustrates the exact legal statute behind it. Arizona Revised Statutes, Section 28-448. I know, reading legal statutes sounds super intimidating, but take a deep breath. We have the ultimate, totally free solution to make sure you remain fully compliant without any of the headaches. Here's the absolute best part. Simply updating your record in their online database is completely free, $0. And that completely satisfies the legal requirement. However, if you really want a shiny new physical replacement card to carry in your wallet with your new address printed right on it, that will cost you $12. So they don't force you to buy the new card, but you absolutely must do the free update. Moving right along to Section 2, getting your information ready and exactly what you need. Before we jump onto the website, let's gather your documents beforehand so we can prevent any cognitive overload later. You're going to need a stable internet connection, your full name and date of birth, your current Arizona driver's license number, the last 4 digits of your social security number, and of course your new address with the exact zip code. Having these specific items right in front of you ensures your online transaction is going to be perfectly smooth. And here's a really practical tip for once you've settled in. Definitely keep an eye on forwarded mail to catch any missed updates. If you see mail getting forwarded from your old address, it's the perfect reminder that you probably forgot to update that specific vendor, like your bank or your doctor, and you need to give them your new contact info. Let's move to and see how this builds. Section 3, the step-by-step online process, using AZMVD now as our ultimate easy fix. All right, I'm going to guide you methodically through the 4 actionable steps on the portal. First up, visit azmvdnow.gov and activate your account. Second, for security, you'll need to verify your identity via a quick email link or a text message to your phone just to get that account activated. Third, once you're in, simply input those new address details we gathered earlier. And finally, step 4, you just choose between that free system update or paying the $12 for a physical replacement card. It really is that straightforward. Now, a quick warning for those of you who opted for the $12 physical replacement card. Your new card can take up to 2 weeks to arrive in the mail. And here's the kicker. It shows up in a very unassuming plain white envelope. Please keep a close eye out for it so you don't accidentally throw your new license away thinking it's just junk mail. Section 4, troubleshooting and MVD support, overcoming any digital hiccups. Now, what's really interesting about this slide is the highly specific maintenance window you absolutely must avoid to prevent frustrating website errors. The AZMVD Now system actually goes down daily between 11:50 p.m. and 12:10 a.m., as well as Sundays from midnight to 2 a.m. So just steer clear of those late-night sessions and your process will be totally fine. If you do happen to hit a digital roadblock, here are your alternative support options. I highly recommend using the live chat feature at az.gov/MVD. It's available Monday through Friday from 8 a.m. to 4:30 p.m., and it lets you get answers straight from an expert without ever leaving your computer. Alternatively, you can call their phone line during daytime business hours, or if you absolutely have to, you can visit an authorized third-party location in person. Section 5, benefits of AZMVD Now and why you should absolutely do this online. So, why use this digital portal instead of going into an office?
Well, for starters, you completely skip physical MVD wait times. 0 minutes in line is always a win. Second, this single online action conveniently updates both your driver's license record and your vehicle registration automatically at the exact same time. Plus, having that account gives you access to over 20 other digital services, things like submitting a sold notice if you sell your car or updating your voter registration, all in one place.
Just a quick legal heads up before we finish up. This information is accurate as of August 23, 2026. Viewers should always check the official AZMBD website for the most current information. This explainer is not affiliated with or endorsed by the AZMVD. It's always best practice to double-check official resources for any potential future changes, guys. So are you ready to finally check this off your to-do list? You now have all the tools you need to get this done completely stress-free. If this explainer helped you untangle the MVD process, please hit that like button, drop a comment, and subscribe for more practical life tips and DMV-related advice. But before I let you go, it makes you wonder, with over 20 services now digitized by the Arizona MVD, what other notoriously slow government processes are finally ripe for a total digital overhaul? Let me know your thoughts down below. Thanks so much for watching.